the hoodie. Okay. Like, I feel like this and this. Like, I feel like white chicks. Like, I'm hey, what's up? We about to get lit and turn up. Lit and turn up. Period. What's poppin'? What's good, you guys? It's your girl, Abby Nicole. And today, as you can see, we got a different setup going on. Let me stop for this thing fall on my head. Alright, you guys, so today I'm doing a video on where I am cleaning out my closet part 2. Okay, so this video is sponsored by Poshmark. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video. I've done a video before in the past using Poshmark, and I definitely want you guys to download the app. If you're in the US or Canada, the link will be down in my description box, so definitely go check that out. And y'all know, like, I literally get clothes sent to me. This is my job. I review clothes, I wear them in a picture, and I can't really wear them again. So all these clothes are lightly used, and literally Poshmark is a perfect place, like, to where you could, like, do this, sell your clothes and stuff. And they're like the #1 app to do this, to sell clothes and sell fashion on there. So that, listen, come on. So I've posted only like 10 items on there, not too expensive, because there were items that were probably worn a little bit more or weren't that great of items. Just put them on there. I made a little bit of money, but now I'm really ready to make some money on Poshmark, okay? Because I seen I can make a little bit of coin. Now I'm about to make a lot of bit of coin. So this video gonna be a little, you know what I'm saying, I'm selling some pieces that were a little hard to let go. I just wanted to let you guys know how Poshmark works. It's literally easy. All you gotta do is take a picture of your item, make sure it's clean, of course, no stains, no nothing like that, and then you post it on there. Like, it tells you where you can put the specifics, whether if it's a long sleeve or short sleeve, the size, the color, stuff like that, and then you list your item, and they literally sell so quick, you guys. My Poshmark was literally blowing up so quick, you guys, when I first made the app, and I'm just like, okay, well, now I need to really get on it for real, because it's actually doing what it needs to do. So here, let me get into my Poshmark. I literally all these followers, and they literally buy really quick. I have 913 followers on my Poshmark, you guys, and I sold everything that I last listed, except for probably a couple things. Alright, so I'm going to take those down and renew them, you guys. It's literally the easiest thing in the world to purchase or to sell. But when you're selling, a couple tips that you could do are be descriptive as possible. Mention the brand if it's like a designer or like popular brands, because that'll help the item sell. Also, when you're shipping out the package, you could put a handwritten thank you note just to thank your buyer for buying or whatever and stuff like that. So, I mean, let's get right into it. I'm going to try on all these items for you guys so you guys can see them on my body, and then so I can kind of explain to you why I'm selling it, and so that you could see the condition of the item on me before you purchase. And then hopefully by the time this video is up, all these will be listed as well. And if they're not, just be a little bit patient, give me some time, because I do have a lot of stuff I'm juggling. But let's get into the ow girl. Oh, yes. I was trying to say let's get in the video, and I hit my arm. My hand up there. Alright, you guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, let's get it.
When I walk through, cashed out, everything brand new, brand new. Shitting on you, and I ain't never had to do it for the views. It's Abby Nicole, yeah. Stop playing, bitch, I ain't the one,
Alright, you guys, so I have this outfit right here. Funny story, I got this back in like 2020. I'm just kidding. Got this in 2016. You know, this was one of their outfits. Fashion Nova had something like this, or did I get it from Fashion?
No. Did you?
They had this one, and they had one with like a jacket. If they still got it, I'll link you down to it, but there's no point because you could just buy it from me and I'm stepping on it. You know, it's comfortable like that. So it's very stretchy. As you can see, you guys, I'm 5'8", 9". I don't know, bitch, what my license say. But this one I like it because it's, yeah, even if it's not under my feet, it's not high water, but these are the only pants that I can do this with, because all the other pants be real nice and bell bottomy right here, high water. Yeah, this one just like, it's like past due, you know what I'm saying? I feel like this tie-dye style is kind of I feel like I could wear it one more time for a picture so one of y'all can want to buy it, or so one of y'all can see it. So my ponytail is, it's okay because it's coming out. But anyway, yeah, that's this outfit. The straps could go around more, or however you want to, sis, whatever has it. do it. So yeah, guys, so this next outfit or this next dress, really pretty, wore it already. It's crazy because I've worn these on Instagram, but I haven't really wore these out, and I be feeling like, damn, like maybe I should save these outfits for when we actually go out, because all these outfits, well, like outfits like this, I haven't worn out yet, type shit. But anyway, this one, what y'all think? It's a cute little olive green. Definitely like the Versace kind of vibe it's giving me. It's just, I fuck with it. What y'all think? But it's just that, you know, like I said, after I take a picture in it, it's like a no-go for me. I can't really stunt in it again. Oh my god, you're wearing the same shit. And I mean, it's part of the job. Out with the old and with the new. So let me know what you guys think. And I want to know what your guys' favorite piece or what you think I should have said. Like, Abby, no, keep that in your closet. Let me know down in the comments.
Hey. Hey. I think you're looking for some better shit.
Alright, you guys, so this is my next piece. It's a button-up shirt that you could kind of get away with it as a dress. I would definitely wear biker shorts with it. I'm taller, so I can't really do the dress thing. It's kind of risque. But if you're shorter, you can definitely pull it off. This is like, I guess, a size small. It doesn't have the size on the tag, but I got this from a boutique called Multi-Style Fashion in Orlando. So shout out to them. But yeah, it's a cute little, I guess, Burberry inspired shirt. I really like it because this brown. I don't really have much stuff this brown, and this brown color just like stands out and it looks super good. Again, I don't know why I'm selling this. Haven't worn it out yet, but it's okay. One of y'all could have it. Definitely like it though. Okay, you guys, this is a little bit see-through right now, so I apologize. But this dress I got from Pretty Little Thing actually over a year ago when they had a Black Friday sale. I think I went and bought this on it. This shows everything. Baby. Babe. I'm a month.
Okay, see?
Okay, literally, okay, this dress, the reason why I never wore it because I thought it was way too tight and way too, like, but I mean, I could get away with it in the picture. I don't think I would go out with it. It'll get dirty and then I won't be able to sell it. So I'm going to take a picture in it and then it's yours. Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, that, oh. Oh.
Oh, you just need to know how to work it.
That's cute.
Y'all finna be lucky.
That's cute. Yeah, y'all can have this though, but I'm gonna get my picture in it. Ah! Okay. If this is not on the Poshmark store, you know what? I'm sorry. Okay, you guys, so this is the next fit right here. As you can see, these jeans are pretty much brand new. They're Fashion Nova jeans that I got from where Fashion Nova get their stuff. No tea, no shade. But yeah, these are a size. They're a size 9, but these jeans run small. And the reason why I can't keep them is because they're high water as fuck. I don't know why I didn't notice that, but I always wanted like a khaki jean to fit me like this, down to past my ankle. So this isn't the case. And then I have this crop flannel that I got from, can't remember if it was Rue 21 or like Target or something. I think it was Rue 21 though. But definitely love it. Think it's cute to wear. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah. And yeah. And yeah. Alright, so I have another flannel that I wanted to show you guys. I'm not going to try it on. I just wanted to show you guys. Well, I'll just throw it over this one. Okay, this one. Actually, yeah, I think I got this one from Rue 21 and this one from Target because as you can see, this one has a little bit of a different fit to it. So, yeah. Alright, you guys, so the next piece I have here is this nice little sweater. I don't know why, but I like the style of the sweater, but I don't like the color that much for this time of the year. I have bought a nice hot pink one as well, but I didn't even really wear that. Okay, stole it. But, yeah. It's a cute sweater. If this was like black or white or gray or like, you know what I'm saying, navy blue, I would have definitely kept it. But the neon yellow is just, I'm not really into it right now. But it's definitely cute. Got it from Rue 21. Haven't even wore it out. I just wore it for a selfie, and I changed the sweater to look white in the selfie, so that don't even count. Alrighty, you guys, so we got this rainbow. Look at the hoodie. Okay. Alright. So we got this rainbow snakeskin looking 2-piece. These are really cute to lounge out in and just wear, quick to go, quick little find. I just don't like it anymore because it shrunk and the sleeves are way too short and the ankles are way too short, and it just isn't comfortable. I like to wear comfortable clothes when I'm wearing my clothes. I don't like to feel like I feel like this and this. Like I feel like white chicks. Like I don't like how I feel. Like these is like my elbow. Yeah, I don't I don't like it. So anyway, it's cute though when I first got it, but it'd be cuter for you. Only wore it once, wore it in one picture, so my gift from me to you. Hope you enjoy it. Yeah, this one has a little bit more stretch to it. The arms are longer, as you can see. Versace. Yup. Let me see how this hoodie look. See, this one's a little bit more respectable. The other one was like,
Shit, look.
like it was bad. It was bad. Alright, you guys, this is the next one. It says queen. Queen-ish. You know what I'm saying? Again, cute little loungewear. Hoodie is respectable. I just don't know why I'd be doing this. Anyway, yes. Stripes on my ass so he cut his what? Oh, that's what I thought. Okay. Alright, y'all. Who do I look like? There's a character that has this on. Oh my god, you know who this is reminding me of? Lazy Town.
The guy. Was the guy?
Yes. And somebody else, but I can't think of who.
Jack the Ripper dude.
Is that who it is? I don't know, but here's the fit. It don't matter if you're black or white. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh! And I was about to be like, that was my whistle. Alright, you guys, so this is the next one. It's like, you know, we got a lot going on. I think it's different. I think it's cute. You know what I'm saying? You can unzip it, do whatever you want. It says pink on the side. It's not pink. Santiago just be having fugazi stuff, but it's okay. But it's still cute. Yeah. Alright, you guys. So this is the next piece. Really cute. Really cute. That's all I can really say. It's a, like, it's not really ribbed, but it has that material. And then it goes off the shoulder. It's brown. It's pretty. It's chocolate. I feel like me look like a latte. A nice chocolate latte. Hey. 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 Period. Okay, you guys, quick little story on this dress. When me and Kay went to Miami for her birthday in 2017, this dress was literally loose on me. I got it at Forever 21 last minute when we went to Miami because Prince invited us. Well, we were going for Kay's birthday, but I know Prince from Love and Hip Hop Miami, he was gonna have us in every club, so I just needed to get whatever I needed to get. And I can't believe this. Like, this is so cute on me right now. The way it used to fit before, I didn't have these hips. It was just crazy. But yeah, I'm still gonna sell it. Gonna take a picture in it because I literally wore it once and never wore it again, but I kept it in my closet just in case. And just putting it on, I feel grown. Like, I really feel grown. I feel like a whole grown ass woman in this dress. Like, what's up? What's up? Period. And it has adjustable straps. Alright, you guys, so this dress had its course. It was trending. Everybody made this dress in a different way after Kim Kardashian had it on. I don't really like it because the way they made this was very risky. Like, if I move, like, literally titties to the wind, I mean, the style is still cute, but it's just, you know, I don't really care for the color. Yeah, I know I don't like pink. It's cute, but it's just like, I don't really care to have it in my wardrobe anymore. Don't even care to take a picture in it or whatever again, but I need to go. So let me know. I think it's a size smaller, medium. Again, everything will be linked on Poshmark if these are listed on there, so just stay tuned for that. Okay? So I have this off-white two-piece set. Again, I got this from Multi-Style Boutique in Orlando. I feel like my era for the off-white is over. I know that guys still wear it. I don't know, I might pop out in this because I haven't popped out in LA with it. Popped out in Orlando with it, but I haven't popped out in LA with it because I have the belt and everything. But it's definitely cute. I don't know, like I said, this is a closet clean out, but people change their minds. So don't try to be like, oh my God, why are you trying it on if you're not gonna sell it? Because I'm human just like you. So anyway, this is it, two-piece, got a hoodie, short sleeve, period. Off-white capris, right top. What is this dance? What's it called? Get the gat, get the gat, get the gat. Get the gat, get the gat. What is that? If you know, comment down below. Give me a tea, because I don't know what the hell that is. So this next set here is from Fashion Nova. Again, this set is just too small. It was always too small since I first got it, but I like forced it for the pictures and stuff. I've worn this a couple times in pictures, not even out. I just recently wore this in a picture. I wore this. Look, I make it work. So I think this is a size medium, but like I said, like it's just not comfortable. But the material is like that knitty kind of material. It's cute, fuzzy, comfy. Yeah, you got it, sis. Take it, take it. Skin is poking up again. Yeah, you guys, it's literally a no. I love these jeans. These are probably like my favorite pair of pants, but look. Like, it literally looks like I'm squeezing in my butt cheeks. Like, this is sad. It sucks. They don't stretch. I love the two-tone. Like, that was my favorite thing about these pants. It's just not working. It's not happening anymore. So, Forever 21, I got them from. Honestly, I wish I could find a new pair of pants. If y'all could find me a new pair of pants like this, I really greatly appreciate it. But it's time to let these go. So, anyways, I guess we're going to end the video there. Put my pants. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check my Poshmark out. It'll be on the screen and link down below. I'm tired. And link down below. Thank you guys again. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And happy selling and happy buying, period. So, I'll see y'all in the next one. Love you.
I know you tryna slide, just hop in my ride. Anything you gon' do it. You follow me in my movement. Say the words and let's do it, babe. I know you just wanna ride, just come take your time. I know you tryna slide, just hop in.